Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Ocean Credit Card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you'd like to activate your Ocean Credit Card online, then the process is quite simple. Open up a web browser of your choice. Go to the URL box at the top and type in activate.capitalone.co.uk and press enter on your keyboard. Since your Ocean Credit Card is issued by Capital One, you'll need to go ahead and activate your credit card from this URL. Simply go ahead and go through the information that is displayed on the screen. Click on the Let's Go button after you are done. On the next page, enter your 16-digit card number available on your Ocean Credit Card and type in the expiry date on the next field. Now, right where it says date of birth, type in your date of birth information as well. Make sure to enter the information that matches the record. Simply go ahead and enter your date of birth correct in the text boxes and finally, click on Confirm Card Details. Once the card details has been confirmed, you'll be taken to a next page. You'll need to go ahead and make a payment choice, select a payment method, follow the on-screen prompts till the end, and you'll be able to activate your Ocean Credit Card online. That is how it can be easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.